How to use YOLLA app. So here is YOLLA app, international calling. So here you can just find it. So there are a bunch of other alternatives, but here it is. International calls YOLLA. Best deals in international calls, mobiles and landlines. So here it is. Call anyone abroad, even if they don't have the app. Display your number. Let everyone know it's you calling. No hidden charges. See total price before calling. Free calls between YOLLA users. Recharge. Mobile top up. And then here you can just find it. So here is how you're going here and then try to create an account. All right, so it seems it's not working with every number. So let's just try. See if that works. All right, so seems there are some glitches and bugs. So then probably just need to reach out to their support. I don't know why it's not working. It seems to be working recently. So something's not working. So anyhow, that's just what it is. That's what you have. So yeah, that's the idea. So I don't know. Hopefully they will fix it soon.